Can you help me? Can you help me?
Yes, of course. Yes, of course.
What is the problem? What is the problem?
I don't understand. I don't understand.
Can you speak slowly? Can you speak slowly?
Yes, I can. Yes, I can.
What did you do this morning? What did you do this morning?
I went to work and had a meeting. I went to work and had a meeting.
Meetings can be boring sometimes. Meetings can be boring sometimes.
Yes. What about you? What did you do today? Yes. What about you? What did you do today?
I went to the market and bought some vegetables. I went to the market and bought some vegetables.
That sounds nice. What did you cook? That sounds nice. What did you cook?
I made pasta with tomato sauce. I made pasta with tomato sauce.
Yum. Do you like cooking? Yum. Do you like cooking?
Yes, I love cooking. Yes, I love cooking.
What do you do in your free time? What do you do in your free time?
I like painting and listening to music. And you?
I like reading books and watching movies. I like reading books and watching movies.
What kind of books do you like? What kind of books do you like?
I like mystery books. What about you? I like mystery books. What about you?
I like romance novels. I like romance novels.
Do you like sports? Do you like sports?
Yes, I do. I like football and basketball. Yes, I do. I like football and basketball.
Oh, really? I like football too. Which team do you support? Oh, really? I like football too. Which team do you support?
I support Manchester United. I support Manchester United.
Nice. I support Barcelona. Nice. I support Barcelona.
What are you doing this weekend? What are you doing this weekend?
I don't have any plans yet. What about you? I don't have any plans yet. What about you?
I might go to the mall on Saturday. Do you want to come? I might go to the mall on Saturday. Do you want to come?
Yes, that sounds like fun. What time? Yes, that sounds like fun. What time?
Maybe at 3 p.m.? Maybe at 3 p.m.?
Perfect. Let's meet at the coffee shop. Perfect. Let's meet at the coffee shop.
Great. See you then. Great. See you then.
I have to go now. It was nice talking to you. I have to go now. It was nice talking to you.
Me too. See you on Saturday. Me too. See you on Saturday.
See you. Have a great evening. See you. Have a great evening.